Hi, it's Daniel from Snapshades. You're watching installation video D for magnetic mounts installation. So in this package you'll receive 2 Snapshades, 8 magnetic mounts, 2 alcohol wipes and a storage bag. So first we have to locate the magnetic points on the shade. To do that you can use a magnetic mount and it'll snap onto the location of where they are supposed to be. So next we'll be marking the points corresponding to where the magnets are situated on the shade frame. Then we will wipe down the points corresponding to where the magnets are going to be situated with an alcohol wipe. Remove alcohol residue with a microfiber cloth. Now we will peel off the tape on the magnetic mount and adhere them to the marked locations where we've marked earlier. You let them rest for about 20 minutes. Then you can install your shades bottom first and insert the top into the frame and let them snap to the magnetic points. And the installation is complete.